Imagine an alien as large as a person that could grab you and start eating you while you scream. Nature's silent assassin. The praying mantis, a predator so lethal it inspired a martial arts fighting style. Maybe it's not the right fighting style, but the insect's just as brutal. With more than 2,400 species and an 80% success rating, it's one of nature's most fascinating predators. Get this, its nearest relatives are termites and cockroaches, but it split from them about 300 million years ago. I ain't never seen one in a while, but they hide so good they're hard to find. Camouflage is their best weapon. Some that have a green shield of leaves. They got mantises that look like green leaves. Some that look like dead brown leaves. Some that look like tree bark. Some that look like flowers and orchids. If that's not masters of disguise, I don't know what is. They even got one that looks like an ant.